Hello friends, I am Parul Bhargav and today I am taking a subject Consumer Behavior and Marketing Research for MBA 4th semester student and the code of this subject is M420. So today I am taking a module 3 that is Social and Cultural Determinants that includes group dynamic, family group, reference group and social group. So we shall proceed for that. So basically if we are starting about that, what is consumer behavior? If you are studying of a consumer behavior involves search, evaluations, purchase, consumption and post-purchase behavior of the consumers and include the disposable of purchased product keeping environment and personal characteristic in minds. So this is consumer behavior. If you are moving ahead for group dynamic. In group dynamic, I am talking about the social and cultural determinants. So what is first we are talking about the cultural factors. In cultural factors there include 3 points, that is cultural, subcultural and social class. What is cultural? Cultural factor is according to Howard and Said, cultural is a selective and man-made way to responding to experience a set of behavior patterns. That is, what are the responding to be experienced set of a behavioral patterns? What exactly the cultural selective man-made way is responding. The second is a set of learned beliefs, values, attitudes, habits and form of behavior that are shared by society and transmitted from generation to generation. The form of behavior we are sharing from society to society, that is mobility of the values and belief. Next, if we are talking about the culture is what? The traditional ideas, the value attached ideas which we are going to be showing in a social manner. Okay, comprehensive and includes knowledge, belief, art, morality, law, custom values, attitudes, habits and all other habits which are required by a man as a man of society. What come in its features? It is a learned response. What we see, we learn. That is a hereditary also. If we are seeing any person in our family also as they are doing the same, we are always in our childhood trying to do the same and that will make our habits. It includes inculcated values. Culture is a social phenomenon. Now, if you are taking an example of the there's a western areas, that is other countries from India. There is a common invited colleagues of friends at a home for a drink or dinner. In Japan, inviting someone home is not a local custom. It is preferable to go out with friends and colleagues. That means as in India, they are never going to call any of the person or friend in the home. If they have to roaming, they have to go out with their friends. As well as Japanese offer a gift. When they offer a gift, at the same equivalent, they want return and back. So this is a custom. This is a culture of that area. If you are talking about the other example, so in the other example, we are talking about the India. In India, there's the friends always used to come in our house. We are going to move out also. We are calling them, we are inviting them in home also. But also in India, there is no requirement of the gift by taking and giving. If we are giving any gift, there is no necessary to taking back as the same equivalent. Moving forward. In culture, there are many points just like cultural shifts. What's cultural shift? It's trying to have a leisure time, health conscious, informal. We have a culture. We are going to have our health issues. We are going to have the more time to do many kind of works. In subculture, it is a set of learned belief, values, attitudes, habits and form of behavior that are shared by subset of society are transmitted from generation to generation. That means again the hereditary, we learned and we do the same thing. In some culture, there are subcategories and I am also giving the example of subcategories like religion, location, gender, occupation, social class and age. In religion, there are Hindu, Jainism, Christians, Muslim and other religion, etc. In location, there are 4 locations we are putting on: north, south, east and west. The genders are of 2 types, obviously male and female. Occupation, business services, professionals. Social class, upper, middle, lower, upper, lower, lower, lower. Age is old, young, middle, age children, etc. So these are the subculture categories along with your examples. Now coming to the third point is social class. What social class is? Division of society into hierarchical levels of distinct status classes so that the members of class have relatively the same status and the member of other classes have the either or much or less. Just like there are the different kind of society, there are some upper kind of society, there are some lower level kind of societies. So they have maintained their own status. Next, social factors. Social factors are among the factor influencing consumer behavior significantly. The fall of three categories, which we are also in our the course, that is reference group, family and social roles. What is now the reference group? Are those groups which are individual interacts continuously, just like your friends, your family, your neighbor, your colleagues, religions, organization, professional and association. This is known as the reference group, which are connecting with each other. Just like those provide who are individual some point of the comparison, more or less direct about his behavior, lifestyle, desire or consumer habits. The influence that image that the individual him or has her as well as his behavior. Whether the membership group or non-membership group, these are all included in your reference group. If you're asking about the example, even if he doesn't meet it yet, a behavior cricketer. We are talking about a cricketer that may want to buy advanced brand or product used by experienced cricketers in order to get closer to that group. That is, if a new cricketer wants some type of product in a branded way who are already used by unknown cricketers, that is being touched with a reference group. While a teen may want the shoe or smartphone used by the group for his high school in order to accept it by this group. So these are the two examples of reference group. Moving towards to family group. What is family? A family most influencing factor for an individual. I hope for the same you two people. It forms an environment of socialization in which an individual will evolve, shape his personality, acquires value, develop attitudes and opinions on various subjects such like politics, society, social relation and him or his desires, but also his consumer habit, his perception of his brand and the product he buys. We all continue using some product and brands which were used by the family. Perception and family habits generally have a strong influence on the customer buying behavior. The family always have their own using power, own the style of behavior, the style of behaving, buying. Just like I'm taking an example of a kid never have drunk a Coke in their childhood. Your parents said that it's full of sugar and are not in good very health to drink the cold drinks. This is far less chance that you are going to buy it. You will grow up and then someone who drink Coke since childhood. That is the difference between a family. Every family have their own ideas and concept. Someone would like to have a cold drink. Someone don't have. So these are a thing. Second is family decision maker. There are three types of category in family decision maker. First is husband is dominant. If you're talking about a family, there is a husband, there is a father, there is a mother, there is a children. So these are all the family members they have. So if you're talking about the purchasing power along with the category, so husband is dominant on what? Your father is dominant on what? Automobiles, TV, personal computers, gadgets and many more. As the same as the second category, we are talking about the mothers or the wife. Who are they dominating about? The washing machines, the kitchen appliances, the home appliances and the food areas. As the same, if you are talking about you, kids, children are dominant on what? Tools, travel, playing, game, gadgets. So these are the different family makers' decision. Who would like what kind of thing according to their age, according to their sabas. Now, the third is social roles and status. The position of an individual within his family, his work, his country club, his group or friends. All this can be defined, the term, role and social status. Your father have what kind of a role in your family? Your mother have what kind of role in your family? your father have what kind of role in a society, in his office, in India, in neighbors. A social is a set of attributes and activity that an individual is supposed to have and do according to his profession and position, his family, his gender, exception of the people around him. Third, social role status. Some person plays different role in a society, changes consumer behavior. As your father has a different nature, different role in his office, as well as in the family, he have a different role. As the same, you have a different role in your school, in your colleges, as well as the different role in the houses with your parents. So, this is a different kind of status role all being appeared. The third is personal factor. Decision and buying behavior are obviously and influenced by the each characteristics of each consumer. First is age and way of life. What kind of the age you have and what kind of the life you are living. The first, purchasing power and revenue. What you are earning and what you are purchasing. What you are going to do marketing. Your lifestyle. What kind of the status you have. What kind of lifestyle you are going through. You are going through with a school, with a no cold drinks, with a no junk foods. Or on the other part, some families are with a cold drink, with a junk food, with a movies, with a roaming here and there. These are the difference between of the lifestyle. Personality and self-concept. What kind of personality you have, or are you going to roll that same kind of personality, and what kind of the personality you have and you are rolling a different kind of personality. That is up to you. So on that, the age and the way of life, what the age and what the life you are in. You are not doing the same age what the kid is doing at your upper age. At the same, if you are a 70 years old, you are not going to drive a cycle. You are not going to play with mud. At the same, if you are a kid, you are not going to drive a car. So this is the difference between the age and a way of life. Some few points for the age and way of life is the first, the bachelor stage, young, single, under 35 or 30. Newly married couples with no children. Fullness, young married couple with the youngest children 6 years. Fullness second, young married couples with children of 6 to 12 years. Fullness third, old married couple with dependent teenage children living at home. Earnest 1, old married couples with no children living with them. Emptiness, old married couple with no children with living and retired. Solitaire severe, old single person with low income increasing medical fees. So these are the different kind of age and way of life. Second is purchasing power and revenue. What kind of the purchasing power you have? What kind of the purchasing you are going through with the salaries and with the organization, and what are the revenue you are using for that? The purchasing of power of an individual will have, of course, a decision influence on his behavior and purchasing decision based on his income and his capital. Lifestyle. What kind of lifestyle you are using of for the individual, for a married, for a family, for what kind of the grocery you are using if you have a family, what kind of clothes you are according to your brands, according to your status. Next, personality and self-concept. What kind of the personality a person with their characteristics. An individual have their own characteristics. The psychology, the physiology characteristics of an individual, and really that's come in a result of constant behavior. Personality trait include confidence, openness, shyness, Krishna, autonomy, curiosity, adaptability. Self-concept is the image that individual has or would like to have of him or conveys this. Now comes in the psychological factor. There are the different psychological factors. We already learned that. That is motivational, perceptional, learning, belief and attitudes. That already we are learning in the management as well as in the starting of consumer behavior. What motivation is? Motivation is basically the drive consumer to develop a purchasing behavior. The behavior, the lead to consumer what to satisfying their needs and desire. Perception, what you have seen, that is your perception. What you are thinking you are going to see, that is your perception, which an individual selects, organizes and interprets the information he received in order to do something that makes sense. That is perception. Perception is what we see, what our desires says, and what we get it. Learning. Through action. When we act, we learn. When we do something, we learn. Our behavior resulting outcome experience. This is learning. Belief and attitudes. A belief is attitudes, is what are the feelings, and what are the desires we are need is. So this is all about the social and cultural determinants, group dynamic, family references, social groups and all. If you have any question, do ask me on my mail ID. My mail ID is parul12780@gmail.com. Any question will definitely give you answer. Have a good luck. Thank you.